Today we have to repair a compressor or vacuum pump built by Becker and which is using a motor made by Trumpf. The datasheet of the unit is telling us that the power supply is at between 100 and to 240 volts, 50-60 Hertz. So it's having a very versatile power supply unit. So let's check the board of it and to see what kind of problems is having this. So the unit was repaired. It was a fortune that in the electronic board there were not many components damaged. Some capacitors and thermistors were changed. It seems that it received a higher voltage on the line from the grid, and maybe that was the reason that these components were blown. So now we have to make a test to see if there are not other problems with this compressor, and we hope that the motor is not damaged. So let's start to see if it works or not. So everything is connected, and we will put the mains on and we'll see if it is working or not. The fan is working, and the air pressure is coming out. Of course, the air pressure is not coming out here because the command line of the unit is in the air. It will work better when the compressor will be connected directly on the machine. So it seems that the repair was a success. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.